to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that
So all I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go get my bike checked up, because I'm gonna go on a big ride just before I leave India. So I decided to go on a big motorcycle ride, because that's what I was missing in India, a big beautiful motorcycle ride. So I'm just gonna go get my bike checked up and go on a ride. So where I'm gonna go to get my bike checked up is not kind of official, or it's not a certified mechanic. In India you find a lot of mechanics just around the corner. So I'm going to a guy just around the corner who are basically very good at their job. So it's not too far where I'm gonna go. That's India for you. This is India for you. Break the bow? He's asking me to test the bike from the back. He just forgot and took the brake. आप ऐसे करके क्या देख रहे हो?
मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैं बैरी बोलूँ तो लूज तो नहीं है।
अच्छा
तो झूले के कुछ थोड़ी लूज चेक कर रहा हूँ। ये तो आपके अगले पहिए में हवा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी।
ना ठीक है, वो दिलवा लूँगा अभी।
वो तो लो पहले। वो गाड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा बबलिंग करती है, कर रही है।
हाँ वो कर रही है।
इसकी अलाइनमेंट चेक करवाओ।
अलाइनमेंट चेक कराऊँ, वो कहाँ से कराऊँगा?
वो करोल बाग होगी।
करोल बाग होगी। बाकी अगर आपने सिर्फ वही प्रॉब्लम है ना गाड़ी में, अगर लंबी राइड पे जा रहे हो सिर्फ अलाइनमेंट चेक कराऊँ और
अलाइनमेंट चेक करवाओ
और हवा को बढ़वा दूँ।
उसी की दिक्कत हो रही है ब्रेक मारने में।
I'm gonna back up a motorcycle, park it right there in front of it as soon as my number comes, and get my pollution tested. You know what? That's the time they decided to change the staff. If they're changing time, shift change. That's why it's taking a lot of time, more than I thought it would. They've asked me to turn my bike on. They're gonna take a picture of the number plate and from the back. Right here. They're gonna ask me to insert one of these rods in the exhaust of the motorcycle. You can check out how much the carbon monoxide is coming out of it. Yes, sir. Start it, sir.
ये लगा दो।
What I'm gonna do? Put it in. You're taking a picture of the motorcycle. He's gonna give me an okay, and then I'm gonna take it off. Okay, he's giving me an okay, and I'm taking it off. I'm just gonna move my motorcycle so that the other people can come. It's kind of crowded over there. So now this is done. My next step is gonna be go get some air in my tires. You with me? You with me? Let's go. It's not too far. Come. Let's show you. Turn around. I'm just gonna get it in my tires. I'm next in line. So I went to get my air filled. First I went to the mechanic. He told me the front tire air was low, so that's why my bike was bubbling a little bit. So I got my pollution done. Then I went to get my air filled, and the guy who was filling my air told me that the front tire might be punctured. So now I'm getting it fixed. It's not punctured actually. The valve where the air goes in is broken. Kind of ruptured, so we're just gonna change the wall, and the guy right there is changing the wall for me right now. I'm telling you, it's so freaking easy in India. Everything is right around the corner, and everybody does everything for you. Wow. Of course you gotta pay them for the services. Always pay them and always tip them nicely. Please, 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 please. I know a lot of people, a lot of my friends, a lot of Indians don't do it. Hey, come on, man. Help the community out. Okay, so now that's all done. I'm just gonna head home. It's good. The bike's ready for a big long trip now. The long trip is a surprise I'm gonna tell you in the next video. You have to watch the next video now.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if
So I was having a problem in the rear tire because it was skidding too much, and they said the alignment could be out. And I went to a mechanic to get it tested, and they told me the front tire, the air was pretty low, so I have to get that refilled. Look, there's a dog too. So I have to get that refilled. So first I went to get my pollution checked, and then I went to get the air filled, and the guy who was filling my air told me that there might be a puncture in the tire. So I went to the guy to get my puncture fixed, but it was just a valve replacement. He replaced it, he refilled it, and the bike's riding pretty fine now. So I think I'm pretty much ready to go. So see you in the next video, okay? Hey, one thing you gotta do. Please hit that subscribe button down there, please. And that little bell notification, so at least you know when my videos are out. Do it.